What is Office 365? Office 365 is a cloud-based subscription service that brings together the best tools for the way people work today. By combining best-in-class apps like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Sharepoint, Teams, Onenote, Onedrive, and Outlook with powerful cloud services like OneDrive and Microsoft Teams, Office 365 lets anyone create and share anywhere on any device. Outlook. It includes an email client, calendar, address, or contact book and task manager. OneDrive. Create backup your personal and work files online. Sync and share your files online. Onenote. It provides a single place for keeping all of your notes, research, plans, and information. Everything you need to remember and manage in your life at home, at work, or at school. Sharepoint. Create sites, share, and manage documents, work with calendars, integrate with Outlook, and more. Teams. It provides group messaging, voice and video calls, and useful integrations with other Office 365 apps. Sway. A presentation program. Content can be pulled locally or from an internet source directly. Another integration service of Sway presentations include YouTube or Facebook content. Tool that allows users to quickly create quizzes, surveys, questionnaires, and registrations. Excel. It allows users to organize, format, and calculate data with formulas using a spreadsheet system. Word. It is used mainly for creating documents, such as brochures, letters, learning activities, quizzes, tests, and students' homework, or assignments. Collaboration. It lets people work on documents together, from anywhere in the world, with an internet connection, a feature that Google Docs has long had. Microsoft calls this co-authoring. Translator. Part of Microsoft's intelligent services, the artificial intelligence behind other Office features, including Smart Lookup and Researcher. You'll need to enable it before using any of these features. Focus mode. When you put Word into focus mode, the ribbon and all toolbars are hidden, and all parts of your screen that aren't Word turn black, so you'll find no distractions at all. Ideas. It suggests how you can use simpler structures that make your text easier to understand and more precise. It explains acronyms, or translates impenetrable jargon. It indicates the estimated reading time, instead of just showing the word count. Dictate. One of the several Office artificial intelligence tools, built from Office 365 apps. It's very easy to use in Office 365, you just need a microphone. How to activate your DepEd, Office 365. Open your web browser, and go to www.office.com. Enter your account and password. Change your password, click Sign In, click Next. Authenticate your phone and email by clicking Set It Up Now. Select region or country. Enter your phone number for verification. You may choose to send you a text message containing a verification code, or call you. Enter your DepEd email address as well. Open your DepEd email using Gmail to get the activation code emailed to you. Enter your activation code, then click Finish. Log in your Office 365 account. Enter your username, then click Next. Enter your password, then click Sign In. Should you choose to stay signed in, just click Yes. Otherwise, click No.